colors are more powerful than you think. These facts will change the way you see the world. Blue is the most popular favorite color in the world. Studies across cultures show that people consistently choose blue as their top choice. It's associated with calm, trust, and stability. That's why so many brands use blue in their logos and products. Red can make your heart beat faster. It's a stimulating color that raises blood pressure and increases energy. That's why red is often used in warning signs and romantic ads. It catches attention and creates emotional intensity. There's no real pink in the light spectrum. Pink isn't a wavelength of light. It's our brain's interpretation of a mix between red and violet. It technically doesn't exist in nature the way other colors do. Still, it's deeply embedded in human culture. Black isn't technically a color. It's the absence of light. Unlike white, which reflects all light, black absorbs it. That's why black clothing gets hotter in the sun. In physics, black is more of a condition than a color. White reflects all colors in the light spectrum. Unlike black, white doesn't absorb light. It sends it back in every direction. That's why we wear white in the summer. It keeps us cooler. White is also associated with purity and simplicity in many cultures. Green is the easiest color for the eye to see. It's right in the middle of the visible spectrum, which makes it restful for our eyes. That's why it's used in night vision goggles and hospital walls. Nature may have chosen it as a primary color for a reason. Purple used to be more valuable than gold. In ancient times, purple dye was made from thousands of sea snails. It was so rare that only royalty could afford it. That's why purple is still associated with luxury and power. Yellow can trigger anxiety in some people. It's a bright, stimulating color, but it can be overwhelming. Studies show that babies cry more in yellow-painted rooms. Too much yellow can cause restlessness and fatigue. Orange boosts appetite and energy. It's a warm, inviting color that stimulates social interaction. That's why many restaurants use orange or red in their branding. It's also a popular color in marketing for fast food. Some animals can see colors humans can't. Bees, for example, can see ultraviolet light. This helps them find nectar in flowers. Other species can detect polarized light or infrared, opening an unseen world to them. Color can affect how we feel temperature. Rooms painted in warm colors like red or orange often feel hotter, even if the temperature is the same. Cool colors like blue and green can make a space feel cooler and calmer. Blue rooms are said to improve productivity. Studies show that blue enhances concentration and focus. That's why offices and workspaces often use blue decor. It calms the mind while boosting mental performance. The color red can make people appear more attractive. It's linked to passion, energy, and power. Research shows that people wearing red are rated as more appealing. It's a color that grabs both attention and emotion. Colorblind people can still see contrast and movement. Though they may not distinguish red from green, they can detect brightness, shadows, and motion. Many lead normal lives without ever realizing they're colorblind. Some colors can even affect how food tastes. Studies show that the color of a plate or drink can influence flavor perception. For example, people often say drinks taste sweeter from red cups. It's a mix of psychology and biology at play. Enjoyed these colorful facts? Hit subscribe and leave us a comment with your favorite color.